Greetings every day, I will show you how to mod Dragon Dogma 2. So first, go to the nexusmod.com, search popular all time, click first thing that you see, because we need to install the mod manager. So click on it, go to files, download this file. After you download, extract it, and then select the mod manager exe. Now open it, choose a game, and Dragon Dogma 2. Now, game folder in your game is, it should be apps, common, and Dragon Dogma 2. Now, when you want to install some mods, like for example, framework, download it, and the mod manager should automatically detect it. And after you've done that, just launch the game, and it should be modded. That's it, guys. Hope that it helped, and I will see you later. Bye.